Hi everyone, Ezzy Snell with Copper Labs here, and I want to talk about outages. One of the main reasons that a lot of utilities have decided for getting smart meters is to be able to detect electrical outages in real time and be able to better respond and help manage that. Interestingly, at Copper Labs, because we can get real-time data off of both sort of legacy AMR meters, which are drive-by meters, and smart meters too, we can actually provide insights into electrical outages, even for utilities that don't currently have smart meters installed. One of the key things that a lot of utilities are sort of judged on by customers and regulators is how well they're able to respond to outages and restore service. And obviously that's really challenging to do if you don't have real-time data about where the outages are occurring and when restoration happens. And so with our technology, we can use these old drive-by meters and get data down to 30 seconds to be able to see, who has power, who doesn't, and hopefully help improve outage restoration quite a bit. Interestingly, we're actually working right now with the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, which is exploring different ways of both detecting outages when they happen and help to create more proactive plans to increase resiliency, particularly as we see more severe storms happening and more challenges to the grid. So this is going to be really essential, and we're really excited that we can help utilities improve their outage management, even if they don't have the latest smart meter technology. So that's a little bit about outages, and look forward to talking again soon. Thanks so much.